Man, there's a lot of stuff here. All these robots. Yeah, that's good. Oh, hey. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Smart Robots Review, the show that reviews robotics. At least they used to, right?
I'm fantastic too.
What are you doing here? I didn't know she was going to be here. But that's good. Hey, Lisa, how you doing?
Hey.
All right. So, hey, everybody. I'm Elias. I'm your host of Smart Robots Review. It's been a while since I've done any videos. Sorry, I guess I disappeared from the...
Thanos.
Thanos. It was like
Thanos.
yeah, you're gone.
He did it.
So anyway, personal life I got in the way, and but we're back.
Yeah. Yep, we're back. I'll be back.
I'll be back. So with a few exciting robots to review in the next few weeks. As you can see, it's gonna be a lot of fun. There'll be some giveaways. So
yeah. He knows about all the giveaways. Yeah, so
best color commentary.
yeah.
Right,
so we've been gone for a while. We understand that. I've had my own personal issues such as college. Yay, money.
That's right.
Yep. Yeah. So there's that going on in my life. And then, as you can see, we had to collect all this to do the more videos.
So yeah, we have a few cool opportunities here to review some great robots and have a lot of fun. So with that, see you guys soon.
Yeah.
Watch for the videos, they're coming. Welcome back.
Thanos.
Just stay there.
Spoiler alert for
Bye.
Avengers. Bye.